location another, it have a specific longitude and latitude. If I change it, this one to, for example, 122.21 and 73.3, he will take me to allow. He give me the longitude and latitude. If I just try to change this one for example 111, and I try to send it to this device, make sure send it, make sure you will see here the location of the device. If I click get, you have to see the new location. But if you see the location is not updated, even I click send. The problem is because there is no application interact with this location. Now to make this location updated, I first have to open the map. So when I open the map, he will go to that location, making sure he will go to that location. He will go already go. You don't have to click it again. Now I go back to my application and click get location. See, he updated. Let me do another example for you. If I change it to 121, okay? If I click send and I click here get location, you will not get the location 121 to you. Even the device location now is 121. Even the GPS in the device reading the location 121. But because there is no application interact with this location, so this code will not execute. So he will get the previous last location now. So last location now, he know it because when someone opened the map, for example, if I try and open the map again, so see, this is now the last location because I opened the map. Now if I go back again, get location, he send me to the new location. So if you want to get updated location by the method that name it last now location, you have to use another operation. We will see it in the next video. But this one, how it work? So make sure when you work with it, don't use it for something you want it to be real life. Thank you for watching and see you next.